Hi, my name is Kathy Baldwin. I am the author of How I Unlearned My Crap, which is the second book of my trilogy. My first book was Unlearn the Crap and Level Up Your Soul as Calling, and it was all of the education and learning and the science and technology behind our personal empowerment and how to utilize that. And this book, How I Unlearned My Crap, is an intimate, vulnerable sharing of my story and how things evolved, where the root cause of my crap, my conditioned responses and automatic programming came from, and how it evolved and had a life of its own until I went on my own root cause healing journey and I unlearned my own crap. This book, while it is intimate and vulnerable, and it may have some trigger effects for some people, it's meant to be a way for you to have a mirror to see how things that you might not have realized before, how they can affect and turn into the things that take us out of our empowerment. I only share as a way to create a safe place for all of us to look at the little things. I hope you enjoy this book. It was a labor of love. It was also part of my unlearning crap journey to be able to share with you the root causes of how what happened to my grandmother affected me in my adulthood, how I was born and the things that happened to me in childhood, how they turned into the results I was receiving as an adult, and how I was able to unlearn that crap and redefine it so that it became my empowerment. And that's my wish for you with this book, that you can identify your root causes of disempowerment and unlearn that crap. Change the narrative, change the perspective, and step into your own empowerment. Because I truly, truly believe that we are in a powerful time of history where we're all being called to level up because our souls are aching for more, and you deserve it. I hope you enjoy this book. Please share with me your thoughts and feelings and even your reviews about what you thought of it. I can't wait to get to know how far you've come as you unlearn your own crap. Thank you.